Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Coming today to explain to you how to set the Fajr alarm step by step. Very easy. I did a couple of them in Arabic language. Now I'm going to do it in English language upon request of several viewers. So now I'll start from step one by explaining what features it has. So it has the 5 prayer adhan, the volume set of the prayer adhan, city select the Fajr alarm, which is adjustable every day. It has daily alarm, weekends optional, and it has also the snooze option, which allow the alarm to come in every 5 minutes if you push on the stop here. And then in the front, it has the set, it has the arrow down, arrow up, and then it has the setting switch. So what we'll do is when you need to change the battery, you open up the place, you put the new batteries in, and we'll start now explaining how to work and set this clock. So number one is to set the time. How do you do that? By moving the setting switch all the way to the right, and then with pushing on the set you choose the time, hours, minutes, and then the days, month, and years. So that's what we do. So what we'll do is first, if you know what the time is now, you choose, for example, it's like, let's say 1:30. So this is 1. Make sure you look at the AM and PM. So if it's afternoon, 1 PM, see? And then you move to the minutes and you change it to 30. And now you push on the set. You go to the days. Let's say today is September 1st, 2018. So you go up to 1, and then the month is 9, and then the year 2018. We're done. So you go back to the far left, and it's already set. The Hijri calendar will be adjusted accordingly. So if you look at the Hijri calendar by pushing on the set, it will come. So today is 21st of 12th month of 1439. And now to select a city. So if you know where you are, you could look at the manual here and it tell you city by city what's the code. If you don't have that one, or your city is not here, you could go online, Alfajr city select. It will tell you what's the code of your city. The website is mentioned here at the end of the manual in English. It's alfajr.com, and it will allow you to choose your city code. You take a pen or a pencil, you go to the city select, and you push on it once. So it comes to the city code. If you know it, perfect. As I said, for example, my city is 1312. So we'll go all the way to 1312. We'll do that till we get to our city. See here, 1312. So when we get it, I push the set back again, and this is the Qibla direction, the true north, and it's selected now. Now for Asr or Fajr and Isha, you have options of changing settings, and here it tells you they have the Arab world Taqweem, you have local Taqweem, you have Isna, you have North America, Europe, and other countries. So there's so many selections you could choose from. So at any rate, so now for Asr, if you want to change the Asr between Shafi and Hanafi, you push on the set and you go not all the way but to the alarm. Let's see what happened. That's 1 position before the end. And this is the Asr, this is the Shafi time. If you want Hanafi time, you choose the H. Now if you want to go to Fajr and Isha and change the selection of the Azan, you push on the set. You could choose between different 1818, 1917, so the time change. 1:30 means that 1 hour and 30 minutes for Fajr before the Shuruq, or 1 hour and 30 minutes after Maghrib for the Isha time. And then when you're done, you could move this key all the way to the left and you're done. What else we could do? For example, you want to set now the alarm. So the alarm is 1 position before the far end. So you go here, that's the alarm. So you could choose the alarm by pushing on the set to choose between hours and minutes. Also, you could choose between days. So if you want 7 days a week, it's flashing. If you want 4 days, 5 days, all those is by pushing the arrow up and down. You could choose what days of the week you want the alarm to sound. Okay, so when you set it and when you're ready, you go all the way to the left, knowing also that you have to move the alarm key to the right here in the back. See, now it's here. You see the indicator in top here. You could, if you know, it comes with a light, by the way. If you want the alarm to stop, you could move this key all the way to the left. And there's also a function where you could set the Fajr alarm. So if you want to wake up, let's say 10 minutes before or 10 minutes after the Fajr, so you could move this key to the right, and then you could set it up here also by moving it to this indicator. See here, and then you know what Fajr time ahead, and then you move and you set this time 10 minutes before or 10 minutes after, and every day it changes according to the changes of the Fajr. So if you set it 10 minutes after Fajr, it will always wake you up 10 minutes after Fajr, regardless what the day and the time and winter and summer. If you want it off, you could move the key all the way to the left, and that's it. It's gone. There is a 1 day alarm. 1 day alarm is the second here from the left. You could choose from it. See what I'm saying? You could change it. You know, as it with the set, you could change between hours and minutes. See, and then when you're done, you could move the key to the left. So see, now this alarm is on. If you want to get rid of it, you push on the set for a few seconds. Now, did you hear the alarm? It disappeared. So the beep indicates that no more alarm anymore. The snooze option, you have it here in the back. You turn it to the right, so it will allow you whenever the alarm comes on. If you push on the stop, 5 minutes later it comes back again. If you want to get rid of it, you move it to the left and you're done. Now for the volume of the adhan, if you want no adhan, so the volume will be at off here. See here, off, and then there will be nothing but beeps, like 3 beeps at the time of the adhan. If you want the volume up, so you could turn it to level 1, 2, or 3. That will be the loudest for the adhan. So, and you see the indicator here also. It will give you also the temperature in centigrade. You know, for the daylight saving time, it's very easy to do it and to change it. You don't have to change anything, but look at this, how easy. So let's say summer come and you want to change the daylight saving. So you push on the arrow up or down. So between winter and summer. So look at this. If you push up, see it changed now. The whole thing changed to the summertime. If winter comes in, you don't have to do anything but push the arrow down for a few seconds, and the time will be adjusted, and the prayer time will be adjusted. Everything will be set. Very easy. You don't have to do anything like what we did earlier to set it up. The other thing also interesting, I learned it. Let's say here the indicator shows low battery. So if you want to change the batteries and you're quick and fast, you could change the batteries with the new batteries without the need to change anything in the clock. How? When you have the ready batteries, the new ones, and you want to change, you have to do a quick move. You remove the old battery quickly and replace it with the new one right away, very quickly, and you see that the time doesn't change. So if you do like this and then you immediately put it back in, see what happened? The time doesn't change, nothing changed. So I hope you like this video and you'll pray for me, and don't forget me from dua, sharing, like, and subscribe. If you have questions, let me know please on YouTube. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.